Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notification. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has called for concerted efforts to sustain peace in the Niger Delta in the post-amnesty period. Dr. Ogbuku made a call at a recent meeting with members of Agitators Forum in Port Harcourt.
Leaders and members of Agitators Forum in the Niger Delta paid a courtesy visit to Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, recently at the corporate headquarters of the Commission in Port Harcourt. Spokesperson for the Phase 1 batch of ex-agitators, Nature Dumale Kienge, said the visit was to interact with the NDDC boss on how to sustain peace in the region in the post-amnesty period.
Recently, we dabbled into a document that exposed us to the fact that the amnesty office where we disarm is not only the parastatal setup for the Niger Delta recovery plan. We discovered that the NDDC had a role to play, the Ministry of Petroleum has a role to play, the Niger Delta Affairs has a role to play, the Ministry of Environment has a role to play. But as somebody who has been in the street, struggle, who has rose in the rank of leadership, we believe that you're the only one who can talk to synergize with these parastatals that are supposed to be part of the recovery plan of the region.
While addressing the ex-agitators, Dr. Ogbuku, who acknowledged the sacrifice they made in the Niger Delta struggle, urged them to continue to work for sustainable peace to attract investment to the region.
We have graduated from the level of armed struggle, now we are at the level of intellectual struggle. Today in the Niger Delta, our youths complain about jobs. Sometimes no matter what we do here, these jobs will not just come from the sky, they won't fall from the sky. Jobs can only come through proper investments. And this investment is not only going to be from government. Government only put policies. When government put the policies in place, investors will come that will create these jobs only if you make the environment conducive for them. But when the environment is not conducive, how will the investors come? So that is where we need to partner towards the development of the Niger Delta.
The NDDC helmsman assured his guests that the commission under his leadership had crafted programs to generate employment for youths with a major focus on agriculture.
Fishing and farming, which is our major stay of our native economy today, is far from us. The government has declared state of emergency on agriculture, which we are also taking note of that, and we also want to ensure that yes, we support our youths in agricultural revolution vigorously, because agriculture is one area that can create sustainable employment for the average youth.
After carrying out an appraisal of the innovative programs the NDDC has designed for youths, ex-agitators passed a vote of confidence in Dr. Ogbuku. After carrying out an innovative programs the NDDC
I want to use this medium to call on our president that gone are the days, this assessment changing of the NDDC management board is giving us a great concern, because we have a man that is a transformational leader, a man that has the people at heart.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta.